How to add someone to a group chat on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your iPhone. On the main page, locate and open the specific group chat you want to remove a member from. Once inside the chat, tap on the group icon at the top of the screen. This will take you to the group chat's details page. Here, you'll see a list of current members. Tap on Add Contact as shown. Now, to add someone, simply type in the contact's name or number you would like to add in the group. When you are done, tap on Done at the top right corner. The member will be immediately added to the conversation. The new contact will now appear in the members list, showing they've been successfully added. You can also see the number of total people added to the group. Following these steps, you can easily add someone to an existing group chat on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.